Welcome to this presentation on harnessing amylase producing novel bacterial strains from industrial waste, a bioprocessing and optimization approach. This research was conducted by M. Premalatha and J. Beulah Isabel and published in 11th August 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Enzymes are increasingly demanded in various industries due to their sustainable, eco friendly, and economically viable applications. This research focuses on the production of amylase, an industrially important enzyme. Two amylase producing bacterial species were isolated from soil and potato processing waste (PPW). Molecular identification confirmed them as Klebsiella pasteurii NIT TBP 2 and Bacillus clarus NIT TBP 1. Bacterial strains were isolated from soil and potato processing waste (PPW) and screened for amylase activity using starch agar plates and iodine staining. Promising isolates were identified using 1,6-SR RNA sequencing. Growth curve analysis was performed to understand their growth patterns. Amylase activity, total protein, and specific activity were determined using spectrophotometric methods. Two bacterial isolates, identified as Klebsiella pasteurii NIT TBP2 from soil and Bacillus clarus NIT TBP, one from PPW showed significant amylase activity. Bacillus clarus NIT TBP, one exhibited higher crude amylase specific activity 136.15 UMG compared to Klebsiella pasteurii NIT TBP 27.69 UMG. Innovate analysis. Starch was found to be the most effective carbohydrate source for both isolates. Optimization using RSM identified the optimal conditions for B. The isolation and identification of robust amylase producing strains, particularly Bacillus clarus NIT TBP1 from industrial waste, are significant findings. The superior performance of D. clarus over K. pasteurii in terms of amylase specific activity highlights its potential for industrial applications. The optimization studies using both OVAT and RSM effectively identified conditions that significantly enhance amylase production, demonstrating the effectiveness of these methodologies. This study successfully isolated and characterized two novel amylase-producing bacterial strains, Bacillus clarus NIT TBP1 and Klebsiella pasteurii NIT TBP2. Bacillus clarus NIT TBP1 demonstrated superior amylase production capabilities. Through optimization using response surface methodology, specific activity of crude amylase was maximized to 139.23 UMG under conditions of 35 C, pH 8, and 7 gram L starch concentration.